Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PayPal checkout on WooCommerce dropshipping stores, full guide step by step clearly. To enable PayPal checkout on your WooCommerce dropshipping store, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Next, navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type WooCommerce to find the WooCommerce plugin if it is not already installed. If it's not installed, click the Install Now button, and then activate the plugin once installation is complete. Once WooCommerce is activated, go to the WooCommerce settings in the left sidebar. Click on the Payments tab at the top of the settings page. In the Payments tab, you will see various payment options. Locate the PayPal option, which is usually labeled as PayPal Standard. Toggle the switch to enable PayPal if it is not already activated. After enabling PayPal, click on the Manage button next to it. In the PayPal settings, enter your PayPal email address to adjust the other settings to suit your business needs. You can choose to enable PayPal Sandbox mode for testing purposes. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, conduct a test transaction to ensure that PayPal checkout is working correctly. Return to the dashboard and try to add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment method. Complete the transaction process to verify the setup. If everything works smoothly, your PayPal checkout is now enabled for customers on your WooCommerce dropshipping store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.